Established in 2013, Shenzhen Melors Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development of EVA PE foam boat flooring, EVA deck pad, EVA traction pad, pickleball pedal, TPE resistant band, and other kinds sports products. Our factory is located at Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, with convenient transportation access. We have over 50 employees within production department and sales department, currently exporting 90% of our production worldwide. Our well-equipped facilities and excellent quality control throughout all stages of production enables us to guarantee total customer satisfaction. All the raw material we use is environment-friendly and non-toxic, which is able to pass the test required from US or EU market. In order to offer a better service to all the customers, we can also support OEM service. Customers either can provide design file to us for quotation accordingly or share idea with us. Then we can ask our designer to make design draft for reference. As a result of our high-quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network reaching United States, Australia, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Poland, Saudi Arabia, and etc. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a customized order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to building successful business relationships with clients all around the world in the near future.